Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make lentil soup in a crock pot. First, select your preferred type of lentils, such as brown or green. Next, ensure you have a good quality vegetable or chicken broth. You will also need a selection of aromatic vegetables like carrots, celery, and onions. This method simplifies meal prep, allowing the slow cooker to do most of the work. For your ingredients, start with 1 cup of dry lentils. Brown or green work best. Make sure to rinse them thoroughly before adding them to the pot. Next, finely chop 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 1 medium onion. These aromatics form the flavor foundation. You'll also need 6 cups of your chosen broth, along with some garlic and your favorite spices. Once your ingredients are prepped, simply add everything into your slow cooker. This includes the rinsed lentils, chopped vegetables, broth, and any seasonings like bay leaves, thyme, or cumin. Set your crock pot to cook on low for 6 to 8 hours, or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The longer cooking time on low often yields a richer flavor. Your delicious lentil soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and serve hot. It pairs wonderfully with a slice of crusty bread for dipping. For an extra touch, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or a swirl of olive oil. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for brightness. This hearty soup is perfect for a cozy meal. Check the description for the link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.